Molly to be savage. I don't need no Molly to be savage. Okay. But when I want a Molly, I feel savage. See the definition of a bad bitch, though. I'm the definition of a bad bitch.
Sometime I'll be home soon. It won't be long, I promise. I will be okay. Just wipe those tears off of your face.